Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In addition of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sundays, and April the 6th and April the 7th, 2024. It's actually today Sunday, and I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So one puzzle is left, and it's the jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cyber block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 8322. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 12 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 12. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box, there dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already given here, so this box should be the 2. Here the 1 and the 2, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also a dual box, 1 and a 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box, there triple box, contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. Well, this box can be 2, so the 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here, the same. The 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and 3. 2 and 3. And the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra boxes here. Well, then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this S construction or the Z construction. If you flip this or mirror this, you will get the Z. Let me draw this here. The S construction. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 3 here. All right. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Oh, no. Here we have another one. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. But also, that box has the same name as this box. In this case, it's a 4 or a 5 here. Alright, then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have a T shape here. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Okay, but also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box has the same name as this box. Okay. And we have only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. This box has the same name as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? No. Only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same name as that box. Do we have more? Let me check. No, only 2 of them. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated. The L shape. This box That's the same number as that box. This box is the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then, the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this Z construction should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, let me mark those. Here also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. Then. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 5 there. If I place the 5 there, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also 5. But we already have a 5 here. So not the solution to place the 5 there. The only place left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. This box can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4, 2 and 4, 2 and 4. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Come on, these 2 boxes can be 3. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Not a pair in this area are the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 2 and 4 is connected with that box. So 2 and 4. Alright, so I need a 1 here in this S construction. Alright. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Well, we have a double 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 4 goes there. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 and 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there, and I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 3 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 1, those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Then. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with 2 with 3 as a pair. The other pair in this area are the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Alright. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Then. Let me think. This box can be 3. So the only place left with 3 in this area should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 4 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Is connected with that box should be so 1 and the 3. So 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This one is connected with that box should be so 4 and the 5, okay. Well, we have a 5 here in the same area, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be so 4. I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 should be here. Alright. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 3. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 1. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2. 2 and a 4. Need to wait. Need to wait, need to wait. 3 and a 4, need to wait. Here, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, I need to wait. Then, this box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. And this box is connected with that box should be so 2 and a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box should be so 2. So I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Well, no, 2 and a 4, not finished. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now it's finished. 12 minutes. Well, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we meet again in the evening. Yeah, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday. Until then, bye-bye for now.